Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a store name. First, selecting a new name is a crucial step. It should reflect your brand's evolution and future direction. Once you have a few ideas, it is essential to check their availability. You will need to search your state's Secretary of State database to ensure the name is not already in use. Additionally, a quick check with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office can help avoid trademark conflicts. Don't forget to secure your new domain name and social media handles too. After choosing your new name, the next step involves the necessary legal filings. You will need to file an Articles of Amendment with your state's Secretary of State, which typically involves a fee ranging from $20 to $150. It is also vital to update all your business licenses and permits with the new name. Remember to inform the Internal Revenue Service about the change, usually by indicating it on your next tax return. Your employer identification number generally remains the same. With the legalities handled, it is time to update your brand presence. Start with your website, ensuring the domain name, content, and contact details reflect the new identity. Update all your social media profiles and online business listings to maintain consistency. Don't overlook physical assets like store signage, business cards, and product packaging. Finally, notify your bank and other financial institutions to update your business accounts and records with the new name. The final, crucial step is effectively communicating your new identity. Inform your customers through multiple channels, such as email newsletters, social media posts, and clear in-store announcements. Explain the reasons for the change and how it will benefit them, fostering excitement and understanding. Ensure all internal documents are updated for your team. You might even consider hosting a small launch event or offering a special promotion to celebrate your new name and engage your loyal customer base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.